Both sexes report that knowledge of their backup mate becoming involved with someone else would cause them to be upset. So this is a partner who's already made it to someone else, and then they are cultivating a backup mate, and that backup mate would be upset if their backup mate got involved with someone else. Just as strange as, I don't know. Women more than men reported that they would be extremely upset if their backup entered a long-term romantic relationship with someone else or fell in love with someone else. Women more than men reported that they would actively try to prevent their number one backup from marrying someone else. Since cultivating backup mates is a feature of mate switching, then securing backup mates should also increase.